Hey, ItsJish here and welcome back to another video. Today in this video guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make your Blue Snowball mic or any mic sound like a studio mic or make it sound better. With my Blue Snowball, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your audio go from sounding like this is an example of bad audio, to sounding like this. This is an example of good audio. So without further ado, let's get into this. The first thing which you want to go to is a link in the description. So will be the first link in the description, and it's a link. Oh, if I can just grab the window over, it is a link for this Voicemeeter application. Basically, what this app is, or what this piece of software is, it allows you to. It's basically a virtual mixer for your audio. It's pretty nice. So you're going to come down here, go to the link in the description, or https://www.vb-audio.com/voicemeter/index.htm. So once you come here, you're going to click download here, download it and install it. But as I have already downloaded it, I don't need to. But this is basically, oh nope, that is not what I wanted to do. This is basically the window which you'll get once you've downloaded it. So as you can see, where it says hardware input, that is my mic, the Blue Snowball. So once you've done this, you may have to restart your computer, you may not. I had to, but I don't know about you guys. So after you've done that, you got to come back to the link in the description, the next link, where you will find, where's it gone? You'll find this virtual cable. So you just come over to this big download button, click download and install it, and I'm pretty sure this time it will ask you to restart your computer just to make sure that the download has fully installed. So just pause the video here, install those two things, and you can come straight back. Once those are installed, basically you come in here, come to Voicemeeter, and where it says hardware input, click the down arrow and you will find one of these. So your mic will show up around here. See, my microphone is the Blue Snowball, that is what is showing here. So and this is the hardware input. So then you will find the hardware output. If you click on that, you'll find all of these things. Basically, you want to select it to a BB audio point. That is going to be the thing which we're going to put into your Audacity or your OBS or any other audio or video recording software to actually take in the outputted audio from this desk. Once you've done that, it's time to mess with the settings. So this is where you see this red square on this other square, larger square. This is where you're going to mess around with the settings. So as you can see, if I drag this over, my voice gets higher pitch, I'm pretty sure. More echo up here in the top right. Voice gets lower pitch, but still with some echo here. Then if I bring it back down to here, this is where I like to have mine, somewhere around this region, and I'm pretty sure it makes it sound professional. Well, it has for me anyway. So once you've done this, once you've got it right, so if you want to find out how to do it, you just come in Audacity. Let me just open up Audacity, record yourself, play it back, keep fiddling around with the settings, and yeah, that's all you really need to adjust. So just get it right to actually use it. Once you fiddle around with all the settings and you've got it sounding how you want to input the audio output from this virtual desk, you need to come over to Audacity. So once you have Audacity open, you go next to the little microphone symbol, click on this box here, and from the drop down menu you select cable output, and in the brackets it says VB audio. That is where, if we come back to Voicemeeter, it says VB audio, because these two match. The audio coming out of the virtual desk will be exactly what is going into your Audacity. I would show you how to do it with OBS, but I am currently using OBS to record. But basically, to use OBS with this piece of software, gotta click settings, then you click audio, and once again you come to microphone/auxiliary audio device, click here, from the drop down menu select cable output, then in brackets VB audio virtual cable. That is what we want to select. So then you'd click apply and then OK. And now your audio is pretty much set up. If you record the audio then play it back to yourself, you will find that it is significantly better than it was before. That just about wraps it up for this tutorial. If you did enjoy, make sure to leave a like, and if you want to see more like this, make sure to subscribe and tell me in the comments, Josh, I want another audio tutorial, because I have many other audio tricks for use in Audacity, OBS, and yeah, I can share them with you if you want. But you just got to tell me in the comments below, or hit me up on Twitter or Instagram. They are linked down below. And make sure to subscribe if you're new, or if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. See you guys.